Good evening students, this is lecture number 2 of chapter number 4. Today in this lecture we will discuss exercise 4b where we have grouping terms and we have to factorize grouping term in this exercise. So start with first question. We have bx plus 2b plus cx plus 2c. Take b from these two terms, then x plus 2. Now c x plus 2. Now take x plus 2 from both the term, x plus 2 and b plus c. This is the answer. Question number third. Question number third. We have two methods. First xa plus xb and 3b plus 3. Here we can take x as a common, then a plus b, then 3a common, a plus b. Take a plus b common from both the term, then remaining term is 3 plus x. So this is the factor. In this method we have xa and 3a because a is common in both the term, and 3b and xb, b is common. a 3 plus x plus b 3 plus x. Now take 3 plus x as a common, then the remaining term is a plus b. So in both the term we have x plus 3 and a plus b. Now question number 5 and question number 7. Question number 4, your homework, you have to take 8xy minus 8xt plus 8zy minus 5zt. Okay, take 8x as common, and in the remaining part you have to take common as 5z. In this question we have 8kl minus 8kn plus 12ml minus 12ml. Take 8k as common, then L minus n plus 12ml is common, then remaining term is L minus n. L minus n common, then remaining part is 8k plus 12ml. Okay, we can write it as 4 as a common here. So 4 2k plus 3m. You can write it 4l minus m. Both are same because 4 is common from this term. Okay. Question number 7. We have 6 terms in this question. In the first part we have these two terms, second these two, and third part this. X square common, x minus 1, then a common, x minus 1, then 1 x minus 1. Take x minus 1 common from all the term, x minus 1, then remaining part is x square plus a plus 1. So this is the answer. Very simple. Question number 8, important question. इसमें हमको पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, बिकॉज डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर कुछ कॉमन आएगा नहीं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ए बी को सी स्क्वायर, देन ए बी इंटू 1 ए बी प्लस सी इंटू ए स्क्वायर सी, देन सी इंटू बी स्क्वायर सी. अब हमको देखना है कि कौन सी दो टर्म हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट इन दोनों को एक साथ ले लो. ऐसा इसलिए करा क्योंकि फर्स्ट दो टर्म में से हमको कुछ कॉमन नहीं मिल रहा था, इसलिए हमने अब दूसरा मैनिपुलेशन यूज करा दो टर्म्स अलग अलग टाइप के लिए. कौन सी लेते हैं देख लेते हैं. ए बी सी स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर सी प्लस ए बी के साथ बी स्क्वायर सी. नाउ टेक कॉमन ए स्क्वायर और ए में ए कॉमन, बी कॉमन नहीं आएगा, एंड सी स्क्वायर एंड सी में सी कॉमन. देन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज हियर बी सी plus a. Then here we have common as b, so a plus b c, a plus b into c. Then a plus b c common from both the term, a plus b c, then remaining part is ac plus b. Okay, now move to question number 10. Here we have again 4 term, then we have to change the pattern of the term. Okay, like this. You have to think about these manipulation by yourself. How we can take common from two term. Okay, first with third and second with fourth. Not always you have to taken first and third, second and fourth. Either we have taken first and fourth and second and third. 6a square b, 2a square b, 2a square b common, 2 into 3, 6a minus 1. Okay, 2 into 3, 6, a into a square, b, 2ab, sorry, a square. Sorry, this is actually a cube. Okay, this is a cube, so we can take a square as well. Then take ab square here, ab square. So ab square is common, so 3a minus 1. Now take 3a as a common, 3a minus 1. Then remaining part is 2a square b plus ab square. Okay, next question number 12. Rest of the part here are your homework. Okay, you have to do all these questions in your clear copy. Question number 12. We have p square plus 1 into q minus p square minus q square. So we have no term in common. Then first of all multiply. P square q plus q minus p square minus q square. Now we have to change the pattern of term. P square q minus p square plus q minus q square. Okay, take p square as common. We have q minus 1. Now from here we have to take minus 1 as common. Minus 1. Then remaining part is, sorry, minus q, not minus 1. Minus q. Then we have 1, or we can take minus 1 plus q. Now multiply. Minus q into minus 1, q, and minus q into plus q, it is minus q square. Now take q minus 1 and q minus 1 as common. Then rest of the term p square minus 1. So question number 11 is your homework. Okay, thank you so much. In the upcoming lecture we will discuss exercise 4C. All the parts which are remaining are your homework. Okay, thank you so much. Good evening students. This is lecture number 3, chapter number 4. Today in this lecture we will discuss 4C, exercise 4C, which is based on the perfect square. Okay, or the identity a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So take first question, question number 1, x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, we have to make perfect square. So first of all a square, this is 2ab term, so 2 into a into b plus b square. बहुत ज़्यादा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने का. जब भी हमारे पास 4ab टर्म हो, लाइक 2ab टर्म हो, वी हैव a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर इज a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. हमको ये फाइंड आउट करना है. तो सबसे पहले हमको a स्क्वायर ढूंढना पड़ेगा. a, दिस इज a. देन 2ab टर्म मस्ट कंटेन अ नंबर इन न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू एज वेल एज वेरिएबल. So this is 2ab term. Now factorize this term. A square plus 2 into a like this. 2 into a into rest of the term. What we have to multiply? Which gain us 4x. So multiply with 2. So 2x into 2 we have 4x. Means यहाँ पे किस वैल्यू से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो कि हमारा टर्म्स जो है वो मिसमैच ना हो, यानी कि 4x ही रहे. सो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस इज एक्ट एज 2ab, दिस इज a स्क्वायर, देन रिमेनिंग टर्म इज b is 2, so 2 square b square. So it is written as a plus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square means ax and b is a plus b whole square. Now question number second is very simple. Third question number 3, x square minus 10x plus 25. These all questions are very simple. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, b square. 2a. Then rest of the multiplication is b. So a x and b 5. Here we have minus term. So this is the perfect square of a minus b. So we have x minus 5 whole square. This is a simple method how to find out the square of a term. Next, question number 5. 1 minus 8x plus 16x square. Take this term 16x square minus 8x plus 1. This is the square of 4x. 4x square minus 2 into a. A is 4x into b 1. Okay, 2 into 4 8x, 8x into 1. So this is 1 square. So we have a 4x and b 1. So 4x minus 1 whole square. A minus b whole square because this is a minus term. 2ab is minus term. Contain minus. Okay. Then question number 6. Again very simple question. Question number 6. 49x to the power 4. It means 7x square whole square. This is a square plus 144. 12y b square plus 2 into a. 7x square into b 12y. 12 7 is 84. 84 into 2 168 x square and y square. Sorry, question is y to the power 4. Sorry, so this is y square. Okay, now we have a square plus b square plus 2ab term. So this is the square of a plus b whole square. Now compare a equal to 7x square and b is 12y square. So this is the square of 7x square plus 12y square whole square. Now move to question number 8. 25 is 5p square plus this is the square of 1 upon 4 cube. 1 upon 4 cube means 4 into 4 16 q square plus 2 into a. A is 5p, then b is 1 upon 4 cube. Cancel out this term with this. This is 2q. So this is 5 upon 2 p upon q. Now compare the term a equal to 5p and b equal to 1 by 4q. Then here plus term. So this is the square of a plus b whole square means 5p plus 1 by 4 plus b square plus 2ab term. Cancel 2 with this 4. So we have 5 upon 2 p upon q. Now compare a equal to 5p, b equal to 1 by 4q, and this is plus term 2ab. So we have a plus b whole square, a equal to 5p and b equal to a plus b whole square. Okay, thank you so much. In the upcoming lecture we will discuss exercise 4D.